how to easily schedule a post on a Facebook page. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for facebook.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you'll have to make sure that you are using your Facebook page. To do that, simply tap on this profile icon and then simply select your Facebook page. In here, we'll have to go to this Manage Page option, scroll down and tap on this Meta Business Suite. After that, you will now see this option Planner, and then in here you can now schedule a post. To do that, simply tap on this Create a Post option. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, "Hi everyone," and then once you're done with that, you can also add an emoji or add a location. And then on top, you can also tap on this Add Photo option and then Add Video option if you want to add a photo or videos. And then once you're done with that, we'll have to scroll down and then select on this scheduling option. What we need to do is to tap on this Set Date and Time, and then in here we can now edit the date. So as an example, I'm going to set the post on October 21, and then the time would be 3 p.m. Once I'm done editing the date, all I need to do is to tap on this schedule option. So as you can see here, I now have a scheduled post. This post will appear on my wall on October 21, 3 p.m. So that's how easy you can schedule a post on a Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!